Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC60 on a 22 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space of the vehicle first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll then see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with the folding rear seats, of course, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork, in fact, the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have a digital readout for the speedometer as well. In the center, you can see the satellite navigation information. And on the right-hand side, the rev counter. Within the rev counter, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We are in park currently, as you can see. In the center, I say you can change information displayed there. You can also bring up a trip computer, which includes the total miles for the vehicle. They are 39,194. All of that is done using the buttons over here. We have our cruise control, and then into the center, the main touchscreen. So this physical button will take you back to this screen where you'll have these options available to you. You can also swipe in either direction on each of these panels for various different bits of information. So for example, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And at the bottom, we have our kind of climate control menu where you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature, the fan speed, just there, the direction that the air is being distributed in once it enters the car. You can control from here as well, or you could have it on auto, which is what it was on. You can turn your air conditioning on and off. We've got a heated seat and a heated steering wheel, both of which have 3 different heat settings each, as you can see. On the passenger side, it is just, of course, the seat itself. And then within these main paddles, they're all very, very clearly highlighted, including at the top here, your Google Maps, which you can, of course, operate like you would on a phone really, but it's all touchscreen and you can use that as your satellite navigation. Working our way down, we have the main volume for your stereo and a few physical stereo controls just there as well. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. This is where you start and stop the engine. We have wireless phone charging here as well. 2 cup holders, and then an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function also. Last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. In the envelope here is the spare keys, so 2 keys in total, of course. The V5 registration document showing it's a one-owner car from new, and then the service book with the pre-delivery inspection, and then services in 2023 and 2025 as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.